Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Li-Fi Education. Today I am starting a new series of weekly current affairs and it will come in 4 parts of 75 questions each. In this video I will bring to you the current affairs of May month. So let's start the part first. Who has been appointed as the interim managing director and CEO of the PNB Housing Finance? And the answer is A. Neeraj Vyas. Deepak Agarwal, who has been banned by the ICC, is the owner of which cricket franchisee? Answer is D. Sindhis. Which state has launched the Jeevan Amrit Yojana, a unique scheme to boost the immunity system of citizens of the state? And the answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. What is the GDP growth rate forecasted by Moody's for India for year 2020? And the answer is C. 0.2%. Which was the debut movie of late Rishi Kapoor? Answer is C. Mera Naam Joker. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to the United Nations? Answer is A. T.S. Trimurti. The Asian Development Bank (ADB) has approved a USD 346 million loan to Indian government to provide reliable power connection in rural areas of which state? Answer is Maharashtra. International Jazz Day is observed globally on? Answer D. 30th of April. Who has taken oath as the Vigilance Commissioner? The answer is Suresh N. Patel. The New Development Bank pleased to allocate up to $10 billion for loans to BRICS states to boost their economy. And the answer is B. $15 billion. The 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue was hosted by which country? And the answer is C. Germany. The center has bought which water management authority under the Jal Shakti Ministry? And the answer is Kaveri Water Management Authority. As per data released by the Ministry of Rural Development, which state has topped all states in providing employment to Manrega workers? And the answer is Chhattisgarh. India has been placed at which position in terms of budget transparency and accountability? And the answer is B. 53rd position. As per the report by Internal Displacement Monitoring Center, how many people in India were displaced in 2019 due to disaster including cyclones and monsoon floods? The right answer is D. 5 million. Which regional rural bank has launched a loan scheme called Vikas Abhay? The answer is C. Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank. Who has been confirmed the Order of Rising Sun by the government of Japan? Answer A. Thangam Thabali Singh. Which company has acquired 49% stake in the Mahindra Asset Management Company? And the answer is D. Manulife. Glenmark Pharmaceutical has received approval from the Drug Controller General of India (DCGI) to conduct clinical trial of which drug on coronavirus patient? The answer is Favipiravir. B. Which company has increased its stake in US based tech company Skytrain to 26.3%. The right answer is C. Reliance. When is International Labour Day observed every year? Answer is B. 1st of May. Which two states observed its Foundation Day on May 1st? Answer is Maharashtra and Gujarat. The CSIR, Central Road Research Institute, has developed which app to connect farmers to the supply chain and transportation management system? The answer is Kisan Sabha. C. Who has been elected as an international honorary member to the American Academy of Arts and Science? And the answer is A. Somna Narasimhan. The Election Commission has decided to conduct the biennial election in which state on May 21st? The answer is C. Maharashtra. Who has been named the men's ODI Player of the Year at the annual New Zealand Cricket Award? Answer is B. Kane Williamson. When was World Tuna Day 2020 observed? The answer is D. 2nd of May. The book Professor B.B. Lal, India Rediscovered, has been prepared by which ministry? Ministry of Culture. Answer B. The task force on NIP has recently submitted its final report to the Union Minister for Finance. What does P in NIP stand for? Here P stands for pipeline. Answer C. The government has revised the minimum support price MSP for minor forest produce of how many items? Answer is D. 49. According to the latest report of the International Energy Agency IEA, lockdown in India has reduced energy demand by almost how many percent? That is A. 30%. The Bank of Schemes, Ideas, Innovations and Research portal has been launched by which ministry? The right answer is Ministry of MSME. Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune has developed a microwave sterilizer that can disintegrate COVID-19 virus within 30 seconds. What's the name of this sterilizer? Answer is C. Atulya. International Astronomy Day 2020 was celebrated on 2nd of May. Which among the following types of saffron is available in Kashmir? A. Lachen saffron, mongrel saffron, Gucci saffron, and all of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. Confederation of All India Traders has announced to launch which national e-commerce marketplace for all retail traders? The right answer is B. Bharat Market. Which bank has appointed Neeraj Dhawan as its Chief Risk Officer with immediate effect? And the bank is Yes Bank. Answer C. What is the theme of the World Press Freedom Day 2020? The theme is Journalism Without Fear or Favor. Answer A. Which has become the first state in India to provide free and cashless insurance protection to its people? And the answer is C. Maharashtra. India has lost the top spot in ICC Test ranking for the first time since October. Answer B. 2016. Dennis Goldberg, who passed away recently, was the anti-apartheid activist of which country? And the right answer is South Africa. Which bank has released a collaborative song titled "हम हार नहीं मानेंगे" We will not lose? The answer is HDFC Bank. Which state has decided to launch the Mukhyamantri Shahri Rozgar Guarantee Yojana? Answer is D. Himachal Pradesh. Which has become the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration? The answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Michael Robinson, who passed away recently, was associated with which sports? He is associated with football. D. Peter Ebdon, who has announced his retirement, it's associated with which sports? Answer C. Snooker. Which country will not allow the use of saliva or sweat to shine the ball once cricket training resumes in the post-COVID-19 world? The country is Australia. B. Project Monitoring Unit PMU, which was launched recently, is associated with which industry? Answer is A. Coal. India has conveyed its strong protest to Pakistan over an order by that country's Supreme Court allowing the conduct of general elections in which province? The answer is B. Gilgit-Baltistan. RBI has decided to extend the regulatory benefits announced under SLF-MF scheme to all banks. What does SLF stands for? Here, SLF stands for Standing Liquidity Facility. Answer C. Where is the headquarters of Badminton World Federation (BWF) situated? It is situated in Kuala Lumpur, capital of Singapore. Which country will provide $3 million to India through Partnership for Affordable Healthcare Access and Longevity project? Answer is C. US, United States. According to the survey conducted by the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, which state has registered the highest unemployment rate in India in April 2020? The state is A. Tamil Nadu. PM Narendra Modi would participate in the virtual summit of the Non-Aligned Movement. Which country is the current chair of NAM? The answer is Azerbaijan. Option D. When was World Laughter Day 2020 observed? Answer is May 3rd. Who has been named winner of the 2020 UNESCO Kano World Press Freedom Prize? And the answer is Ines Vadio Lima. Sankalp scheme has been launched by the police in which district of Madhya Pradesh to provide 24-hour help to the elderly? And the answer is D. Umaria. Which state has made it compulsory to download Arogya Setu app for those living in hotspot areas of the states? And the right answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Sandeep Kumari, who has been banned for 4 years by WADA, is associated with which sports? The right answer is B. Discus throw. RBI has cancelled the license of Mumbai-based CKP Co-operative Bank Limited. The headquarters of the bank is located in which city? The answer is C. Mumbai. Which company has collaborated with Bollywood for I for India concert? Answer is A. Facebook. What is the theme of the World Asthma Day 2020? The theme of World Asthma Day is Enough Asthma Deaths. C. Name the Indian journalist who has been honored with the 2020 Pulitzer Prize in the field of feature photography. The answer is all of the above. Yusuf Awasam, who has received a lifetime ban, is associated with which sports? The answer is B. Tennis. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has launched a multimedia guide on the COVID-19 disease. Named what? The answer is COVID Katha. Answer A. Which among the following has developed an ultraviolet disinfection tower named UV Blaster for rapid and chemical-free disinfection of high infection-prone areas? Answer is C. DRDO. Who has received the Young Career Award 2020 in Nanoscience and Technology by the Department of Science and Technology? Answer is A. Saurabh Lodha. Which state has launched an exit app for stranded people of other states? Answer is B. West Bengal. Who has assumed command of the Army Training Command? The right answer is C. Lieutenant General Raj Shukla. Which state or union territory has inaugurated a newly developed Android-based mobile app named CHD COVID? The right answer is B. Chandigarh. National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi presented the virtual program Nagma Ke Sangrah Se under which theme? And the right answer is D. Artist by Artist. Reliance Jio has sold 1.15% stake to which United States based private equity firm? The right answer is A. Silver Lake. Name the Indian American who has been nominated by Donald Trump as a representative to the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. The right answer is C. Ashok Michael Pinto. Which among the following has launched the India SME Service Platform? The answer is B. SIDBI.